Good afternoon, this is Alaska Crypto Guy, and today I will be showing you how to restore a backup of your Hemis wallet. Now, any of you who were watching my previous video, how to create a backup of your Hemis wallet, will recognize this folder on my desktop, which is where I stored the Hemis backup files. I have 3 different wallet backups, and hopefully one of those will help me locate my crypto. When I looked at the balance in my wallet today, I noticed that it has 0 Hemis, and my wallet says that it is fully synchronized. So something is clearly wrong, and my Hemis are gone. After today's video, I hope that I'm able to restore my balance and get everything working correctly again. Now, before we can restore a backup file, we need to first make sure that Hemis Core is not running. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that program. Next, I will navigate into the hidden APPDATA folder, which, as we showed in the previous video, the easiest way to get to is simply open up your File Explorer, type in %AppData %, and then press Enter. This takes us to the hidden folder. Within it, you can see the Hemis data folder, which has all of the blockchain information and files necessary and maintained by the wallet. The one we're paying attention to when we want to restore a wallet is in the wallets folder. Here you can see that there is a wallet.dat file. That is the one that Hemis loads when it starts. I could go ahead and just copy the file from my backup folder into this one and not back this file up first, but out of an abundance of caution, I'm going to simply rename the existing wallet. I'm just going to call it Empty Wallet because right now it doesn't have any coins in it, so I think there won't be anything lost if we delete that, but I just want to make extra sure that it's empty before we delete that file. Now that I have renamed that file, I can really grab any of these 3 files in my backup folder. I am confident that any of those will have my balance, but just to show you that sometimes it's necessary to rename one of these files, I'm going to take this, the automatic backup that was made March 7th, and I'm going to copy that one and place it in my Hemis wallet folder. Pasting that in. Now if I start up Hemis, it will not work because Hemis is looking for a file that has a particular name, and the name of that file and the name of the extension must be wallet.dat. So it was necessary for me to change that file extension. Don't worry about Microsoft warning you that renaming the file extension is going to cause a problem. In this case, it will not, because it has to be named wallet.dat for Hemis to recognize it. So yes, we want to allow that change. Now I have put the original wallet back in place, and I hope that when I restart the Hemis wallet, it will recognize my transaction and my coins will be there for me. No errors on wallet load is always a good thing. It shows a 0 available balance. Oh, there we go. It looks like it did recover my existing files, and I'm happy again. Hooray! Not a lot of luck staking, but any day now I imagine this balance will hit 1 and I'll double up. Now, in the event that you restored your backup, you're sure that you had coins in there, but the balance is still showing unavailable, or it shows empty, or your balance is just off, there are some troubleshooting steps within the wallet itself that can help you to recover coins that aren't showing up in a balance. So in order to access that troubleshooting step, go ahead into the settings of the wallet, and then in the debug tab, we have a wallet repair section that has a few different things you can try. The one that I've found that has the most probability of success is also one of the quickest ones that you can run, and that's simply rescan blockchain file. That's going to exit the Hemis software. It's going to restart the software, and it's just going to scan through the entire blockchain looking for any transactions involving addresses that are contained within your current wallet. It shouldn't take very long to do, and as you can see, yeah, it fired right up and it restored my balance as expected. So I am very happy that we have successfully restored the right backup into my wallet. If you try this and you have any trouble yourself, certainly reach out and let us know. We'd be happy to help. Otherwise, my empty wallet now, which I confirmed is not the one that has my coins in it, I can go ahead and delete that. Keep my data folder nice and clean, and that is how it's done. Please, 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 if this video was useful to you, like and subscribe to my channel. One of these days I am going to get somewhere with this channel, and it's your support that will help me get there. Thanks so much. Take care.